This is the trade that I entered. Same thing, it broke the level. I waited for a retest. I got my retest and I sold off. Good afternoon, guys. What's going on, man? Back again on the YouTube channel. So today I basically wanted to share something with you guys. On my Telegram every week we have a target. Basically we want to prepare the target for Monday for tomorrow. This way we're going to put our plan, our trading plan. Every Sunday we do that. We put our trading plan and we're going to follow the rules on our trading plan. Right, so this was our first trading plan. Our target goal was basically to reach 75% win rate, but our risk ratio was supposed to be dope. Make sure that your risk ratio is 2:1, 3:1, but focusing on the amount or your account size. For example, my account size when I started the week was on $100, right? Basically, my weekly target is I have to put or grow $250 in that $100 every week, because I'm using a good risk ratio, so I don't risk much. But let me tell you something, because it's $100, each and every trade I risk $20, right? So I just want to show you what we did this week. These are the trades that we entered during the week, and we lost one trade. That means our win rate percentage is on 80%. So if you want to join our Telegram, because we do this every week, my Telegram is down there on the description, so just click it. It's going to take you to my Telegram and you join us. When tomorrow we put our trading plan for the coming week, you're involved. We also give signals, so I'm the one giving the signals. I gave all the signals on my Telegram. This is my Telegram. These are the signals that I gave for that week. So basically, if you want to be part of the gang, just go to my Telegram. It's a new Telegram. I started it 2 weeks ago. This is when my account was low. You see it, but the balance was 102, right? My account was still loaded, right? But now if you can go to the final, every week I post my account's balance. I post my account to see it was growing. Now it was 188. I post my account's balance at the end of the week to show people this was the loss that we got, to show people what we mostly focus on. So I reached my target. I didn't believe that I was going to reach my target, but all the trades that I entered yesterday gave me that. So I started that week I started yesterday, Sunday, which my account was 272, right? And I ended my week with my account hitting my target. I made my 250. My account right now, you can see, is 350, 0.5. right? It's 0.3, sorry, right? So today I'm just going to share trades, how I analyze the trade, how I entered the trade, and let's get to it. So the first trade that I analyzed, I gave the signal on Monday. This was Monday. The first trade that I analyzed was GBP JPY. So let's go to that trade, right? GBP JPY. This was the trade, right? This is the first trade that I analyzed. What did I see? Mostly, I'm a break and retest trader. I trade levels. I believe levels are good because you protect your stop loss. So what I saw from this trade, let me use the arrow. Price was going up, right? So for me, I was waiting for two things: price to be rejected, right? Price to be rejected, then price will go to the downside. Those were two things that I was waiting for. Or price is definitely going to break. It did break here, and after that I'm going to wait for a small retest, and after that I'm going to enter the buy. This is how I executed the first trade, right? So the reason why I saw a rejection here and I didn't enter on a sell on this trade, you see, I didn't enter on a sell because I got a rejection. I trade levels. I told you guys, I trade levels. That's how since I started trading this way, I grow my accounts better, right? Because trading level, I always want to protect my stop loss. Doesn't matter how. I always want to protect my stop loss when I trade. I don't mean trading this way is 100%, but so far it has been above 75%. So protecting my stop loss, I was basically waiting for price to break this level. Going beneath this level, I already know we already finished with this support. Now we are basically going down. That means our next levels is going to be here, right? Our next level is going to be here and here, right? But price didn't go down here, went to the break and retest, and that's how we won our first trade. Second trade. So this is basically that trade. Same setup, same thing. Wait for a break. Price broke this level, this yellow level right here. You see the level? After breaking the level, I was basically waiting for a retest. I got my retest. I entered the trade. You see, same thing. My stop loss was protected by that level, and that's how we entered the trade. Simple strategy, break and retest. It always works, right, guys? This is how I trade. I use the break and retest strategy. So guys, if you want to join our Telegram, because each and every trade that I'm going to explain right here, I have gave signals on my Telegram. You can join my Telegram. It's free if you want to do that. So let's go to the third trade. This is the trade that I lost, guys. I saw a break. I waited for a retest. I got my retest. I told Telegram guys to buy. It was going our side. I believe this time I was up about $10 up, right? And what happened after that? Price was rejected. Price went up. Price was rejected. It went down. I thought it was going to bounce here and go back up, but it didn't do that. It went down. It hit my stop loss. But each and every trade that you are seeing right now is a similar case. I trade break and retests all the time. So this is our third trade. Let's go to our fourth trade. This is the fourth trade that entered NASDAQ, right? Which was yesterday, Friday, right? I entered two trades yesterday. It was NASDAQ and NZD. So first I'll start with the NZD one and I'll finish with the NASDAQ one because right now we're in the NZD pair. So this is the trade that I entered. Same thing, it broke the level. I waited for a retest. I got my retest and I sold off. It hit my TP perfectly. All the three trades hit my TP. For me, if I enter a trade and it doesn't hit my TP, that was a wrong trade. For me, it was a wrong trade. But this one did hit my TP. I'm happy for that. So our last trade, which was my guy NASDAQ, I saw the same thing. Basically, this trade I saw the same thing. I saw the same thing on this trade, but this one was different for one reason. I saw this, right? This was my first signal. What we saw, lower highs and lower lows. That was my first signal, and after that I didn't enter the trade. I was waiting for it to break a level. I was basically waiting for it to break a level. It broke my level. I waited for a small retest. I got my retest here. I tell the chat, enter this trade because we just got a super engulfing candle, and this was the level that I was focused on to be sure that this trade is buying, right? By that time I entered the trade. It was a little bit of a risky trade because I didn't focus on my concept of break and retest. I saw something else. Let's go to the 1 minute so I can explain what I saw, right? 1 minute time frame. I saw this, right? We got what we call this a W, which is a double top. I saw a double top. After the double top, price respected this trend line, right? Respected this trend line, and price started going down. When it reached this level, there was a mini buy which couldn't reach this level, and that was my confirmation for a sell. So the only thing that I was waiting price to engulf this small movement right here. Let me zoom this small movement, guys. I was basically waiting for price to engulf this small movement. After engulfing this small movement with this big candle to the sell side, okay, that's okay. And that's why I sent the signal on my Telegram, right? And that's how we got our win rate percentage of 80%, because we only entered 5 trades, we lost 1, we win 4, and those were good trades. For me, I mostly focus on target 10 trades. 10 trades, that's my max. After reaching 10 trades, I don't feel like trading anymore. I rest, I go out. I still have life. My life is not only trading. So guys, if you enjoyed the video and how I tackle the charts, hit a like on the video. And if you want to be part of the group is on the description. You can go on the description, click on it, it's going to take you to my Telegram, and we are going to be lit starting from Monday. If you also want to join me live, I always teach about how I analyze the market on TikTok. When you are linked to my Telegram, I do tell people on my Telegram when I go live. So you will join me on Telegram so we can discuss the market. I'm a guy from South Africa. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you subscribe.